We stand at the edge of a transformation as profound as the Industrial Revolution, driven by artificial intelligence. Machines are learning to perform tasks once thought uniquely human, and this is happening now. From your phone's software to traffic systems, AI is everywhere, rapidly entering our workplaces and reshaping jobs. The question is no longer if AI will change work, but how fast and how deeply. The conversation swings between fear of mass unemployment and blind optimism that new jobs will simply appear. The truth is, in the middle. AI will displace many jobs, especially routine ones, but also create new opportunities. Unlike past inventions that replaced manual labor, AI augments the human mind, putting both blue and white-collar jobs at risk. Machines can now read medical scans or draft legal documents, fundamentally changing what technology can do. This demands a new way of thinking about careers and skills. We can't fight the wave, we must learn to ride it. Understanding which skills will grow in value and which will fade is essential. Adapting and learning are now lifelong necessities. This video will explore which jobs AI is already changing, why this is happening so quickly, and which human abilities will remain essential. Most importantly, we'll offer practical steps to help you thrive in the age of AI. The future isn't something that just happens to us, it's something we can help shape. The AI revolution is here. How we respond will define our careers. Let's dive into the jobs already being transformed. The pace of change is accelerating, and preparation is key. AI is not just a tool, it's a new partner in the workplace. The challenge is to adapt, not resist. The future of work is being written right now. AI's impact is already visible across industries. Self-driving vehicles threaten millions of driving jobs, while warehouse robots automate repetitive tasks. In customer service, chatbots handle thousands of conversations, reducing the need for large call centers. Finance relies on AI for trading and loan approvals, replacing teams of analysts. Even creative fields feel the shift. AI writes news reports and generates marketing copy. Legal work is streamlined as AI sifts through documents in minutes, changing the skills required. The common thread: AI excels at predictable, rule-based tasks. If a job can be broken into steps, it's a candidate for automation. This wave is transforming every sector, not just one. The AI revolution is a horizontal force reshaping the entire economy. Businesses are adopting AI for clear advantages: efficiency, speed, and precision. AI works non-stop, analyzes data instantly, and reduces errors, boosting productivity and quality. In manufacturing, AI inspects products for defects. In medicine, it spots diseases invisible to the human eye. Data is the new fuel. AI uncovers patterns and predicts trends, giving companies a competitive edge. Faster, smarter decisions mean better service and lower costs. As some companies adopt AI, others must follow or risk falling behind. This creates a cycle: more adoption, better technology, and more pressure to keep up. The result? AI is spreading into every corner of the economy. The race to embrace AI is accelerating, and it's not slowing down. Despite its power, AI has limits. Jobs built on empathy and human connection, like doctors, nurses, and therapists, are hard to automate. Creative roles and complex problem-solving, artists, scientists, entrepreneurs, require originality AI can't match. Skilled tradespeople, such as plumbers and electricians, work in unpredictable environments that challenge robots. Leadership, management, and teaching depend on inspiration, conflict resolution, and mentorship, uniquely human strengths. Great teachers and leaders adapt, motivate, and connect in ways machines can't. As long as humans run the world, we'll need other humans to lead, create, and care. The safest jobs are those that require adaptability, creativity, and emotional intelligence. These are the skills that will remain essential in the AI era. The rise of AI is a call to action, not despair. Lifelong learning is now essential. Skills have a shorter shelf life. Focus on abilities that complement AI, managing systems, critical thinking, and creative problem solving. Strengthen emotional intelligence, communication, and collaboration. These soft skills are the most durable. Embrace technology. Learn how AI works and experiment with new tools. You don't need to code, but understanding AI's capabilities will help you spot opportunities. Become a savvy user. AI can be your partner, not your rival. The worker who leverages AI will be more valuable than one who ignores it. New jobs will emerge: AI trainers, ethicists, strategists, and more. Stay flexible, curious, and open to change. The future of work isn't jobless, it's different. Prepare now, and you'll be ready to thrive in a world shaped by AI. The future is yours to shape. Start today.